See our product in action. This interactive demo will get you familiar with our product in no time. Ready? Click Sign Up. Click on Sign Up with Google or Sign Up with email. Click Get Started Now. Click here to upload your initial resume. Click on Submit. Click here to generate a tailored resume. Copy and paste the job description of your target role. Enter company name. Click on Generate Resume. Click to open details. This is your tailored resume for specific job. Edit and download your perfect resume. Here is your personalized, auto-generated cover letter tailored to you and the company. Here is a detailed review of your resume, highlighting your strengths and areas for improvement. In-depth company analysis. Gain a comprehensive understanding of the company's core values, workplace culture, and approach to work-life balance. This analysis dives deep into how the company fosters employee well-being, supports professional growth, and creates an inclusive and engaging work environment. Here's the guide to help you succeed in your interview. Prepare smarter with AI interview coaching. Click Start your interview now. Choose any option or type question below. Your path to success.